Nothing sub-brand CMF has officially launched the CMF Phone 2 Pro globally, with a major event held in India. The CMF Phone 2 Pro features a modular back design. The phone is available in orange, light green, black, and white color options. The CMF Phone 2 Pro is loaded with a 6.77-inch flexible AMOLED display, 120Hz screen refresh rate, HDR10+ support. The CMF Phone 2 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro processor. It comes in two variants, 8GB RAM with 128GB storage and 8GB RAM with 256GB storage. The Phone 2 Pro is loaded with a triple camera setup, a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto sensor, and 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. The handset is loaded with a 5000 mAh battery and offers 33W fast charging support. Discounted launch price of 17,999 Indian rupees in India. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.